Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the guitar, safety first. Once done, loosen or remove any obstructing strings so you can see the knob clearly. Identify the knob style, push on, set screw, or threaded, because the removal technique differs. Use a flat pry tool gently for pop-off knobs, and have a 1/16 or 3/32 hex ready for small set screws. These choices prevent damage and set you up for the next step. Now focus on the knob itself and the potentiometer shaft. For push-on knobs, place a thin cloth under a flat tool and lift straight up to avoid marring the finish. You'll feel it pop free. If a set screw secures the knob, loosen it with the correct hex until the knob slides off without force. For threaded knobs, hold the shaft steady and unscrew the knob clockwise or counterclockwise as needed. Keeping the pot stable prevents twisting wiring or the circuit. With the knob off, inspect the shaft and bushing for wear. A stripped spline means you should replace the knob or pot. To remove the potentiometer, unscrew the retaining nut and lift the pot straight out while noting each wire location or photographing it for reassembly. If the knob is stuck, apply short bursts of gentle heat to expand metal or use a drop of penetrating oil at the base. However, make sure not to soak electronics and always test movement after each attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.